Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. I am Aya, and I am super excited to show you something cool today. It's the new delightful sweet treat Van Dye set by Tonic Studios. So let's get into it. So these dies usually come in a plastic sheet, but I like to transfer them onto a magnet sheet. It helps me keep them organized and easy to use when I am doing my die cutting. The main part of this set is the caravan body die, which is pretty big and comes all in one piece. Plus, there are other dies for adding layers to the van and cute food signs like ice cream, cupcake, pretzels. You will also find dies for windows, wheels, and other accessories for the van. Since there are a bunch of dies to cut, I use my Big Shot switch to cut them all at once. I'm using some design paper with soft color for this project. Once everything cut out, I like to arrange them on my craft desk. I usually cut multiple pieces of each design just in case I want to change up the colors or if something goes wrong with one of the die cuts. Now I'm going to leave you with the assembly. It's really pretty straightforward. No tricky stuff here. I just follow the instructions that came with the dies and it all came together easily. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the delightful Sweet Treat Van Dyke set in action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.